welcome back. So today we have Your Eyes Tell by BTS. So for this song we have no capo. Like the same chord progression going throughout the whole song. So if you just have a look at the structure, we start off with the verse, pre-chorus, chorus. Then we have the next verse, another pre-chorus, a chorus, bridge, and a chorus. So the chord progression likely remains same throughout the whole song. Just for the pre-chorus, I'm just gonna introduce something special. Sorry for the verse, but it's actually all the same thing going throughout the whole song. So if we just have a look at the chord shapes, there are only 3 chords to learn. Just have a look. First chord is F major, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. The next chord we have is a G, which is 3, 2, open, open, third, third, and the A minor. That's it. Major 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. And now we have like a melody which I just want to play over here. Sorry. Just gonna show you that in a minute after showing you the rhythm. So let's get started. So our chord progression for the whole song will be with F, G, and A minor. But just have a look at the verse. Chord progression will be a F, then a G, then an A minor, then a G, and we repeat that 2 times. So we go F, G, A minor, G. Another time. And that's it. That's it for the verse. And likely you can just do 1 down on each chord, and that will be enough. So we have 2, 3, 4, and there's not much like lot to learn over this song. So I'm actually going a bit fast and not explaining that much. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Sorry. Then we have the pre-chorus. Then we got the chorus, the bridge, and everything is actually same. The chord progression will be a F, G, A minor, and that goes on. So F, G, A minor, F, G, A minor. Now one thing which I just want to say, that whenever you hear the song, like most of the song, when you go to the chorus, when you enter the chorus, we always end the previous part with a G chord, or in other scale, whatever the chord may be, A sharp, or maybe a C, whatever it may be, but we always end that with a G in this key. So when you go from the pre-chorus, you just enter the chorus, you're just gonna play a G, and then you're just gonna move on. And that's what I mean. So like you played F, G, A minor, you played another time, but when you go to the chorus, before the chorus, you just play a G. Now, what else? Yeah, so let me show you the rhythm. Just take, it's actually a lot easy. Just take a minute. I was wrong. That will not take a minute. Also, just have a look. It's basically 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So what I'm doing is, I'm on the first beat, I'm doing a down. Then on the 2, 3, I'm doing another down. Then on the 1, I'm doing a down. Just gonna break down right now. So on the 1, you got the accent. So which means that on the first count, you're just gonna do the down, which is louder than the other downs. Now the downs which we have on the 2, 3, 2 are basically on the bass strings, like mainly focused on strumming the E, A, D strings. So it will be like down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And that's basically everything, and that goes throughout the whole song, like for the chorus and the pre-chorus. So let's play that a couple of times, and then I'm just gonna show you that melody. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like when I change between the chords, you can just do a down up. It will sound great. So from the beginning again. That's it, and now just have a look at this riff. So we play 15 fret on the high E string twice, 13 fret on the B string twice, then I play, so we play this twice together. So we got 15, 15, 13, 13, one more time. Then we have this part where we have 12th fret on the high string and 13th fret on the B string. We again do the same pattern, E E B B E E B B. And next time what we do is we play with a pinky. We do a 15th fret on the B string, play twice, then over here again play that 13th fret twice and repeat that one more time. So you got, and then I have a slide from 15th to 17th fret, then back to 15th fret on the high string, then 12th fret, then 15th fret on the B string, then 13th fret on the B string, and that's it. So let's play together. 1 2 3 4. Sorry. And that's everything. So make sure to subscribe if you just want me to make this lesson. I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let me know down in the comment below any other song that you want to learn by BTS. Drop me one of these if this helps you out. I'm actually like, this song is not that we have a lot of parts to learn. It's not like this case. So I have neither shown you the tabs and I've just showed you a lot of rhythm. But definitely in the song, if you just see, I show you very much. But this one is there's not likely much guitar all to play. But still, if you just want to sing along, here's the thing which you can just do. And that's it. I'll see you guys back in the next video. Bye.